kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hey everyone, welcome back to At Home with Lisa. Today you all, I stopped by Hobby Lobby and guess what caught my attention? The back to school section, all of the decor for the teachers' classrooms. Yeah, I know what y'all thinking. The school year hasn't ended yet, but guess what? Hobby Lobby is on top of their game, y'all. They are already filling the shelves with the different theme ideas and all of the classrooms essentials that teachers may use in their classrooms. So you guys, I am loving the smiley face theme. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now this particular Hobby Lobby, they are not fully stocked. They haven't put everything out. Looks like they just begun to put things out. And even some of the stuff is already on clearance. But the regular price items are not on sale. So I dare not buy anything just yet. I'm going to wait until Haley tells me what she wants her theme to be. And then I will be on it. But right now, I'm just looking at what they have in store. They have the bulletin board paper. They have all of your ABCs. They have pillows. They have the rugs. They have everything that you need to start a classroom. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to share this with you. So if you are a teacher, go ahead and check out what Hobby Lobby has to give you some ideas for the upcoming school year. Now, some people will recycle. They will use what they have in their classroom this year and they're just carried on to the next year. But me, I like the kids to see something different. I like to have a different theme every single year. Listen to me to my eye. I'm saying I because I always decorate Haley's classroom for her, or I assist her with decorating her classroom. That's my juice. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, you guys, just go ahead, sit back, relax, and see what Hobby Lobby has in store for the upcoming school year. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and we are still on the road to 10K. Let's get there, guys. Let's get there. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy the video.
We at home with Lisa, Lisa.